Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Alga Mulya.
Saya Fauzi Apridal.
Saya Fiqri Wahyu.
Hari ini kami akan membuat ekoenzim dari kulit buah yang telah tidak terpakai.
Tools and ingredients: plastic bottle, orange peel, palm sugar, nail, wax glue, candle, and hose. The making process: first, make a hole on bottle cap with a nail with the same size as the hose. You can also use a soldering iron. Then, put the hose in the hole. Close the gap between the hose and the cap with wax glue so that the air can flow into it. Measure the orange peel as much as 300 grams. Also, measure the palm sugar as much as 100 grams. After that, put palm sugar in the bottle that has been filled with 1 liter of water. Then, put in the orange peel too. Actually, you can use almost every fruit skin such as banana, pineapple, etc. Last but not least, put the bottle cap that has been glued with a hose on the bottle and connect the hose into another bottle that has been filled with 1 liter of water. For your info, the hose will stabilize the pressure of the gas in the bottle with the waste, so it wouldn't explode from excess pressure. Then the tool is done. For the best result, keep it for at least 3 months. We make this video on 3rd of November 2020, so the Enzyme will ready at least by the end of January 2021. You can use the Enzyme as cleaning fluid, disinfectant, plant fertilizer, pest vanish, and yeah, it's eco-friendly.
Proses pembuatan ekoenzim. Sekarang tinggal menunggu lebih kurang 3 bulan agar hasilnya maksimal. Sekian dari kami.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.